Alright, football fans, let's talk about the massive shakeup coming to the FIFA Club World Cup in 2025. For the first time ever, the tournament's headed to the United States. Yep, the same country gearing up to host the 2026 FIFA World Cup. It's all happening between June 14th and July 13th, and trust me, this is way more than just another edition. So what's changed? Well, forget the old 7-team setup. This time, we're getting a whopping 32 clubs battling it out a full-on World Cup-style showdown. Instead of the usual December slot, the Club World Cup now runs every 4 years, just like the real World Cup. And honestly, that makes every edition feel like a true World Championship. Here's how it works. The teams are split into 8 groups of 4, playing round-robin matches. The top 2 from each group move on to the high-stakes knockout rounds. And these aren't just any clubs, every continental champion from 2021 to 2024 gets a shot, plus a special entry from Oceania. If you've dreamed of seeing giants from Europe, South America, Asia, and beyond all in one bracket, this is your moment. The action isn't stuck in one city either. The tournament is spread across 12 mega stadiums in 11 cities from Atlanta to Los Angeles, New York to Miami, and the grand finale, MetLife Stadium, which is also snagging the 2026 World Cup final. Epic, right? And get this, the prize money is insane. There's a record $1 billion in the pot, with the winner taking home up to $125 million. That's a game changer for any club. In short, the 2025 FIFA Club World Cup is bigger, richer, and more global than ever before. I can't wait to see which club lifts the new trophy on American soil. Who are you backing to win it all? Let me know in the comments.